What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick Rustoleum colors, we shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top. We create new interesting color combinations, and then the fun part, you guys get to rate it and vote it and decide if you love it or hate it, 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you want to rate it 1 to 10, that's fine too. Just rate it and let me know what you think. Today I got an awesome one for you guys. Komainu. Now this is like a gold to orange to maybe even some pinks and purples. This is a Ultrashift pearl from My Candy Pigments. And Ultrashifts always do best over gloss black. So I got a fender prep up behind me. We're going to base it in gloss black, and then we're going to hit it with some of this Komainu Ultrashift from My Candy Pigments. I'm really excited for this one, guys. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, we got our gloss black laid down on our fender behind me, and you know what time it is now. Time for the fun part, the pearl. I've got my finished one clear here today, 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener, and I got 5 ounces total into this mix right here. And now Komainu Ultrashift for My Candy Pigments, guys. This is going to be pretty cool, I think, today. I always love gold Ultrashifts and stuff like that. I've been eyeballing this one for a while, and I think it's going to be really cool. This is a 1 gram sample bag, so we're just shooting a fender. It should be plenty. It typically always is, but you usually want to do 3 coats of this to get the best effect per Jeff from My Candy, the owner. And also 25 grams to do a whole car. Usually that's for a medium or small car. If you're doing something larger, you might need 2 bags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump this whole bag into this mix so we can get a really good effect. And and as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Komainu in the mix before I get to stirring. You can always see it shifting. And then when we get to stirring, we should start seeing some fireworks. And we do. Man, the golds. I see a purple flop. I see greens. Man, this is going to be crazy today, guys. I already got that feeling. It's just, when it's crazy in the mix, a lot of times it's even crazier on the panel. So there's only one more thing to do at this point, guys. Let's load up the old Vivor gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my old Vivor gun loaded up with some of this Komainu Ultrashift from My Candy Pigments. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is a Vivor gun with a 1.4 tip. I shoot 28 psi wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free. We'll do a light coat first, make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats per eye candy. And then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, Komainu Ultrashift. Now this is just absolutely jaw-dropping. I mean, the shifting capabilities, I'm not grabbing a light or anything. I don't need it today. This is absolutely insane. The golds, the greens, the pinks, the purples, the little bit of everything. This is probably the most colorful and insane Ultrashift I've shot out since Tanuki. So yeah, pretty crazy. What do you guys think? Guys, this one literally took my breath away today. Komainu Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of a gloss black base. Now, this color shift is the definition of an Ultrashift. I mean, it shifts all over the place. Everywhere from your golds to your greens to your pinks to your purples. I mean, you saw it under light. You saw it when we take it away from light. It almost does more when you take it away from light than it does when you put light on it. So, but as always, guys, it ain't up to me. You guys, here you go. 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you want to spray with Komainu on your next project, you will definitely turn some heads. And I can help you do it. I can get you a discount. I'm my Eye Candy affiliate. My links will be in the description. And you just enter WAW shop while shop at checkout. You'll get a discount, and it'll go to help out the channel a little bit. The Finish One Clear always works great with Rustoleum. The mask, everything I use on the channel, the spray gun will be in my Amazon store. Links are in the description. As seen on YouTube, you click it, it takes you to that store, and you can pick everything up there for the same price I get it. We do get a small kickback, but you get it cheap, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you like crazy spray outs like this, crazy paint jobs, all kinds of wild stuff and creating cool color combinations, well, join Whitley Autoworks. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Leave me a like and comment. Let me know what you thought of this spray out and what crazy color combination would you like to see next that we haven't done on the channel. I got over 100 plus spray outs, and we're doing more all the time, as well as more paint jobs coming and a little bit of everything else, so you're not going to want to miss an episode. Well, this was a crazy one today, guys, and definitely see why they call them eye candy pearls, because they definitely are eye candy. Well, I appreciate you guys for watching today. I'll see you on the next one. I'm John from Whitley Autoworks. So I hope you have a great day. God bless, and see you on the next episode.